up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Apologize, it's real windy out here today, so hopefully it's not messing with my mic. But I'm cooking some beef ribs. Actually, they're finger beef ribs, bone in. And I'm firing up my Lone Star Grillz with some pecan wood as we speak. I'm gonna go get those ribs, show you how we're gonna prep them. It's gonna be good, y'all. Stick around. All right, guys, these are those beef finger ribs I was talking about. It's basically the full rib, you know, the big dinosaur bone, and they take the center part of it and make these. The rub I'm going in with some of this bovine dust from Big Country BBQ. Links down below if you're interested. This is some good stuff. Y'all seen me use this in the past. I recently got a new shipment of it, so we're going to check it out again. Put it in this shaker. I'm going to do the membrane side first. As you can see, I did not remove the membrane. These are beef ribs, and I'm just going to lightly coat the back side because that membrane is not going to let that rub go through. I'm not putting any bind or anything on here. We're just going to rock and roll just the way it is. These are nice dusting. And we're going to let this kind of sweat just a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes while my Lone Star Grillz finishes coming up to temp. And we're going to put them on. So we'll be right back, folks. Alright guys, my pit's up to about 250 over here. I'm cooking on the top rack. So I'm shooting around 275 to 300 for these ribs. So if I hold 250 on the main thermometer there, I should be good. I'll lay them in like that. That'll work. Get back in there. Bring it back down. Check on them in a few. Alright guys, we're still cruising around 270, 275 on the cooker here. It's been a couple of hours. Let's check on these ribs. Oh man, does that look good? Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Zoom in a little bit for you there. Here we go. Now I'm gonna spritz these with a little bit of it's a mixed fruit juice. It's got like some grape juice and some apple juice. Anyway, it's like one of those kids mixed fruit juice drinks. Those are looking good, folks. We're gonna let them keep going. We'll check back on them here in a little bit. Alright guys, we're still going about 275. We'll pull back a little bit and show you we still got some clean smoke happening out of here. Not too bad. Let's check on these ribs. It's been about 4 hours now. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, babe, those are looking really, really nice. Let's give them a little probe test. Let's see how they look. Getting pretty tender. Yeah, those are pretty tender. I'm thinking maybe another half hour, if that. Go ahead and spritz them one more time. Leave them on for another half hour. And then we'll come back and we'll check them out, folks. Alright guys, we're still holding 275. Man, I love this Lone Star Grillz. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Get these ribs off of here. I think they are done. Oh yeah. These babies about to fall apart, man. Check that out. Yes indeed. That's gonna be some good eating right there. Alright folks, there you go. I'm gonna let these rest. Turn them in some foil for about 15 minutes. We'll bring y'all back shortly. We'll give them a little taste test. Alright guys, these rested for about 15 minutes. Let's cut them up. Let's see what they look like. Gonna cut right along the bone here. I chose this wrap because it's a little bit thicker meat than the other one. I bet it's gonna be good any way you go. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's see if we got something right here in the middle here. Let's check out this one right here. There you go, folks. How's that look? Get it off of there. Dang, man. Flies are going crazy over here. That look pretty good, right? How about this one right here? Check that out, man. Still juicy, tender, nice smoke ring. Let's give this a try, man. Let's see what it tastes like. Alright guys, let's try one of these ribs. Hopefully the camera's gonna focus on that for you. Super juicy and tender, just the way I like it. And that bark is amazing. Let's go for it. Dude, that rocks. That's one of the beef ribs, best beef ribs I've ever had. That's good. Check out the links down below for the rub, and check out both their rubs too. They got some good stuff, and also Lone Star Grillz. Man, this is awesome. The dog's gonna love them bones. Anyway, appreciate y'all joining me. Hope y'all cook up some beef ribs for yourself. Find out how wonderful they are. I love beef ribs. If you like this, give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.